Hi everyone, good evening to my new friends. New means 10th standard students. 10th standard students. Up to this time, yes, you need a little bit my introduction. I am Professor B.M.Belagali, retired lecturer from RLS Institute, Belgaum. I worked there nearly 30 years, taking the classes right from PUC first year to even to the degree. Along with that, even I used to teach what? Privately. You can call it as a tuitions. I made tuitions for PUC first year, second year, mainly with those two colleges. One is RLS, another is GSS, that part. Along with this, the remaining colleges also. As a tuition man, nearly I took the tuition classes nearly 40 years. Totally as a teaching, I have completed nearly 48 years of my teaching experience, my friends. Little introduction of me. Then, now because of what this corona, we used to sit at home, lockdown. No one should go outside. When I am inside, I used to do something new. I have worked a lot related with what PUC first year, second year, even for CET, everything I worked. Now I thought of what? Coming to one step down to taking the classes for what? 10th standard. Then through my friends, I got your books. There are book 1, book 2. You know the portions. Okay. That book 1 you have to complete in the first term, like that you have this procedure. And just I went through those two books, man. I find some already my students had already conveyed the message. Sir, trigonometry, coordinate geometry starts in the high school itself. Even statistics, probability, they're all there for the 10th standard. So that is why my friends, along with this, I just saw the syllabus, felt like something new. Looking at still young blood students, 10th standard students, I make my mind to start this class. Means what? 10th standard in the form of what? Videos. So now these your portion, man. I will make them as what? Videos, and I will leave them in the YouTube. My friends, you must take the use of these videos. And anyway, you are still free at home only. You get sufficient time. So it is my request, just go through in detail about the videos, study them and study these subjects, whatever I do, perfectly in your vacation. It is my request, friends. Then I have to start with what? These are the chapters connected with me already, because this trigonometry earlier it was not there for 10th standard, means high school. It was earlier there for the PUC first year. Even like that, coordinate geometry, all these were there for the PUC first. So that's why then my mind tells what? Friend Belagali, you start with first trigonometry. Okay, I will complete everything related with trigonometry, going slow, doing each and every example from your textbook, picking the questions from your question paper, almost all examples from your text. So that is why, my friends, even preparing these notes, I take little pain. I spend some time. Therefore, that you must use it, referring those videos and studying them in detail. In the application itself, those new topics like trigonometry, coordinate geometry, you must study properly, complete them. And about these two chapters, and even along with this, that probability is there, statistics is there, all these are the subject you have once again, you have to study once again at PUC first year, second year. Even if you join with any branch connected with mathematics, this trigonometry is there. My friends, trigonometry is another basic subject in maths. That's why Another subject, new subject, namely calculus, mainly depends upon what? Trigonometry. Therefore, my friends, in the beginning, it is the reason to select what? Trigonometry to start with. Friends, I will start with this trigonometry. Okay, I have given my brief introduction. Even in your house map, your seniors, like your brothers, sisters, even some cases are there, your parents were my students. That's why through them you may be knowing whom I am. Otherwise, even I have told, I am Professor Belagali, a retired person. Alright, my friends, I will start with the new branch that is there in your 10th standard, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry. My friends, it is there in the book 2 manual, book 2, and chapter number 11. Chapter number 11, it is from the second book. Just as an interest, as a new subject, I will start with this, and as you have still vacation, you can get what? Sufficient time to spend with what? The new subject, that is trigonometry. Yes, my friends, this trigonometry is a combination of three Greek words. The first, tri; second, gon or gono. The third is metron. The meaning of these words, these are the Greek words. The meaning of tri is three. Gon or gono means sides. Metron means measurement. Yes, my friends, tell. What is the meaning of this trigonometry? It is three sides measurement. The meaning of trigonometry is three sides measurement. Then what do you mean by this? In mathematics, the geometrical figure having three sides is what? Triangle. It is triangle. Yes, friends. This triangle has three angles. Normally in trigonometry, we denote the angles by the capital letters A, B, C, and sides opposite to them by small letters, capital A opposite. This is side AC means B, AB means it is side C. My friends, the angles we denote by capital letters and sides opposite to them by small letters. Then these three angles and these three sides, 3 plus 3, these are 6 parts. These are called as 6 parts of the triangle. In trigonometry, normally we study what? The relations between sides and angles of a triangle. This is the trigonometry. In particular, we study connected with a triangle. We consider a right-angled triangle. Yes, my friends, this is a right-angled triangle. Basically, what is this? It is also a triangle. You have the three sides. In this trigonometry, first we will study the what? Ratio of sides of this right-angled triangle. Therefore, the first chapter in trigonometry depends on this right-angled triangle. We define 6 ratios, sides, 6 ratios with the help of this sides of a right-angled triangle, and we study first chapter as trigonometric ratios of a acute angle. Yes, friends. Yes. friends, trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios of acute angle. Acute angle. Yes, friend. Trigonometric ratios of an acute angle. Yes. Let angle XOY, angle XOY equal to theta be an acute angle. Acute angle. Yes, my friends. Draw the figure. This is yes, friends. This is X O Y. This is a angle theta. My friends, about this letter theta. This theta is a Greek letter once again. Always it denotes what? Angles of a triangle, or it denotes always angle. Parallel to this theta, still there are Greek letters like alpha, beta, gamma, like this. This is phi. It is psi, chi, xi, like this. All these are the letters. Mainly they denote what? Angles. Mainly they denote the angles. Yes, friends. Now, theta. This letter very much attached with what? This trigonometry. Trigonometry means this angle theta. Yes, my friends. I told we have to convert this acute angle into a right angled triangle. For that it needs what? Little construction. What is that construction? Take a point P on the terminal side, my friends, just related with this acute angle. This OX is called as initial side. OX is called as initial side. OY, it is rotating from one position to another position, from here to here. That's why this OY is known as rotating side. Another name is what? Terminal side of that angle theta. And what about this O? It is a vertex of the angle. Yes, my friends. You have to take a point P on the terminal side of the angle, acute angle. From P, you draw a perpendicular PM. My friends, here it is perpendicular. Looking at this, what is it? Immediately you can respond, you can tell what? OPM is a right angled triangle. OPM is a right angled triangle. If you want little detail, what is it? Take a point P. Take a point P on OR, terminal side. From there, draw PM perpendicular to OX. With the help of this perpendicular, you can get what? OPM is a right angled triangle. Therefore, OPM is a right angled triangle in which already I told what is that. In this in particular we are going to study the ratio of sides of a right angle triangle. Ratio of sides of a right angle triangle. Related with these sides, tell my friend. What is this side? OP is a side opposite to 90 degrees. It is already, you are very much familiar. This side is called as hypotenuse. This is called as hypotenuse, in which OP opposite to 90, in which side opposite to 90 degrees is called, or right angle is called hypotenuse. Is called hypotenuse. I write in brief, hypotenuse. Now what about this PM? It is a side opposite to theta. PM is a side opposite to theta called as opposite side. Next, second, PM. PM is a side opposite to theta is called opposite side. I write in brief, OPP, opposite side. What is one more? This is opposite side, OPP, opposite side. What is another one? OM. OM is a side adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta, and is called adjacent side. Adjacent side. Yes, friend. I write simply this as what? Adjacent side, opposite side, like this. This is opposite side. Yes, my friends. What is our observation now? We get our friend right angle, in which it is 90 degrees. It is acute angle theta. These are the three different names to the sides of this triangle. One, a side opposite to 90, right angle, is hypotenuse. A side opposite to theta is opposite side. A side adjacent to theta is known as adjacent side. My friends, with the help of these three sides, what they are? One is PM, opposite side. What is another? OM, adjacent side. What is third? Hypotenuse. Here, my friends. With the help of these three sides, we can construct six different ratios. They are as follows. What is the first ratio? The ratio opposite side upon hypotenuse. This is first one. What is second? The ratio of what? Adjacent side to hypotenuse. What is third? The ratio of what? Opposite side to adjacent. These are the main. First, opposite upon hypotenuse. Second, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Third, opposite upon adjacent. These are first three. What about the other three? Just they are the reciprocals. What is the first? Hypotenuse upon opposite, fourth one. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side, fifth one. Adjacent side upon opposite side will be sixth one. These are six different ratios called as trigonometric ratios, and we have to give the names for what? Those six ratios. My friends, just I mentioned the name of the first, the name of the second ratio, the name of the third ratio. Like that, I write what? All these six ratios, naming them. Yes, my friends. From this, see, we have taken first acute angle. This is initial side, terminal side. Take a point P on the terminal side. From there, you draw a perpendicular to initial side, that is PM. With the help of this perpendicular, we get what? OPM is a right angle triangle in which you have three sides, my friends. 1, 2, 3. Opposite to 90, name hypotenuse. Opposite to theta, opposite side. Adjacent to theta, adjacent side. With the help of these three, we construct six different ratios called as trigonometric ratios. And they are as follows. Yes, friend. With the help of help of these three sides. These three sides of a right angled triangle, we construct six different ratios called as trigonometric ratios, I write in brief, trigonometric ratios or T ratios. And they are as follows. Yes, friends, I write one by one. This is first one, the ratio. Opposite side upon hypotenuse is called sine of an angle theta, and is written and is denoted, you can say, denoted as sine theta, S-I-N, sine theta. Therefore, by definition, sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. With the help of this figure, tell what is opposite side. PM upon OP. This is PM upon OP. Yes, my friend. Second, the ratio. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse is called cosine of an angle theta, and is denoted as cos theta, cos theta. Therefore, cos theta equal to friend, it is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. With the help of the triangle, what is the adjacent side is OM. So this is OM upon OP. Like this, the third one, my friends, instead of writing what in detail, now you come to know these are the ratios. What is this ratio? Sine theta. By the definition, what is sine theta? Opposite upon hypotenuse by triangle PM upon OP. Like this, it is cos theta. The remaining I write in brief. Instead of naming the ratio like that, history, just I mention here, it is tangent of angle theta, denoted tan theta. this t man you can write capital T, otherwise small t, anything. Tan theta equal to, the ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. Now with the help of triangle, tell my friend. Now what is opposite side? PM upon OP. This is PM upon OP. PM upon adjacent side is OM. Next, my friends, just to reverse it, means the reciprocal of the first one, it is called as cosecant. Reciprocal of the second, secant. Reciprocal of the third, cotangent. I write in brief, man. Okay. Now the fourth one, the reciprocal of first one, it is called as cosecant. Cosecant of theta, denoted cosec theta, and is defined hypotenuse upon. My friends, I told reciprocal of this, hypotenuse upon opposite side. Opposite side. What is hypotenuse? OP upon PM. Yes, my friend, the remaining two, they are yes, the fifth one, second, it's reciprocal, hypotenuse upon adjacent side. That ratio is called as secant. Secant of theta, written in brief as sec theta, and defined as, this is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Tell my friend, this is OP. OP upon adjacent side is OM. Sixth one, the ratio, the reciprocal for the third one. What is the reciprocal of this third one? OM upon PM. What is it? Adjacent side upon opposite side. Adjacent side upon opposite side. This is called as sixth. The name is cotangent. Cotangent. Cotangent of an angle theta, denoted as cot. COT. Cot theta, and is defined as adjacent side upon opposite side. What is adjacent side? Adjacent is OM, my friend. See here. This is OM upon opposite is PM. My friends, these six, what they are? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. If you wanted, just I will mark with the help of what? Yes. This is first one. This is second one, cos theta. My friend, this is third one, tan theta. This is tan theta. This is fourth one, cosec theta. This is cosec theta. And this is fifth one, sec theta. Yes, my friend, this is sixth one, cot theta. See, my friends, how many are there? Six. Their names: sin theta. Don't read sin. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. These 6 ratios, you know the definitions, they are nothing but what? Ratio of 2 sides. What these are? They are the sides of a right angle triangle. My friends, in this trigonometry, normally we study what? The ratios of what? Sides of a right angle triangle. And these are 6 different ratios of what? Sides of this right angle triangle. Their different names are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Next, the reciprocals. Cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. My friends, these 6 trigonometric ratios are also called as trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. Yes, my friends. This is the definition of what? The 6 trigonometric ratio. What next? Everything is on the board. From the board, the definition itself, what is clear? Just you observe what? First and fourth. First and fourth. What is sine? PM upon OP. What is cosec? OP upon PM. PM upon OP, OP upon PM. That itself tells what? Cosec theta and sine theta. They are reciprocal of one another. Reciprocal of one another. Therefore, cosec theta. Therefore, from observing definitions 1 and 4, from definitions 1 and 4, definitions 1 and 4, it is observed that, tell my friend, the first is cosec theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. Or you can say sine theta is 1 by cosec theta. Like that, you can say from the definitions itself, we observe. No need, okay. What is the next? Second and fourth. Second is this. What is the definition? Cos theta is OM upon OP. From the fifth, this man. Sec theta is OP upon OM. What is it? OM upon OP. This is OP upon OM. What is your observation? They are reciprocal to one another. Therefore, sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Tell my friend, what is the third pair? Observe third and sixth. This is third. Tan theta, PM upon OM. What is sixth one? Cot theta. It is OM upon PM. PM upon OM, OM upon PM. From these two relations or definitions, we observe that cot theta is 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. These are called as reciprocal identities. What is one? Cosec theta. What is it? 1 by sin theta. Sec theta, 1 by cos theta. Cot theta, 1 by tan theta. There is one more observation. There is fourth one. Observe it. My friends, sin theta upon cos theta. Tell. Sin theta, what is it? PM upon OP, I write. PM upon OP. This division I write like this. Next, cos theta. What is cos theta? OM upon OP. OM upon OP. You simplify this. This is equal to PM upon OP. Reciprocal. What is it? OP upon OM. This OP cancels. You get this as PM upon OM. Tell my friends, what is this? PM upon OM. PM upon OM here. PM upon OM is tan theta. This is tan theta. This is tan theta. Therefore, from this, what you get? From this, what you get? Yes, from this you get, therefore, sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, or tan theta equal to what is it? Sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. Yes, my friends, you can observe one more relation. That another relation is its reciprocal. Cos theta upon sin theta. Yes, it is cos theta upon sin theta. Cos theta upon sin theta. Tell friend, what is cos theta? OM upon OP. OM upon OP. Sin theta. What is sin theta? It is PM upon OP. This is PM upon OP. Simplify this. Simplify this. Now equal to OM upon OP, reciprocal, OP upon PM. Friends, OP cancels, you get it as what? OM upon PM. Tell my friends, what is it? OM upon PM here. This OM upon PM is cot theta. This is cot theta. Cot theta. Therefore, my friends, therefore you have cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta, or cot theta equal to cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Yes, friends, these are 5 relations. What they are? 1. Cosec theta 1 by sin theta, sec theta 1 by cos theta, cot theta 1 by tan theta. Directly by the definitions. Again, these are also by the definition. Sin theta upon cos theta. Definition of sin upon definition of cos. Simplified, reciprocal, OP cancels, we get what? PM upon OM. That PM upon OP is nothing but tan. So it is tan theta. Similarly, cos upon sin, OM upon OP divided by PM upon this. Take the reciprocal, OM upon PM, which is cot theta. Therefore, my friends, these 6, and these are the relations among themselves, are called as trigonometric ratios. Okay, these means what? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec, sec, cot theta. These are 6 different trigonometric ratios, and these are the relations by the definition. Cosec 1 by sin, sec 1 by cos, cot 1 by tan, sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta. These are the relations. These relations are called as reciprocal identities. My friends, today this much is enough. The same thing I will remind once again tomorrow, and I will continue with examples based on these relations as well as definitions. Yes, my friends, thank you very much. If you have any doubts, either you can contact personally, otherwise you send the messages. Okay, all right, my friends, thank you.